Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Because it's my birthday, I'm doing a get ready with me. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start doing first is drawing my brows. There's no time having long conversation. Let's just get right straight into it. My mirror is standing here and here, just in case I'm not looking directly into your eyes right now. This is how I draw it, just the bottom to the top. Everything is art. Everything is art when it comes to makeup. They look kind of big, but don't worry about it. We'll fix it. Really, I have to be really quick because I'm late. Like, really late. Really late. I'm gonna highlight my brows using the LA Get Pro Concealer to highlight my brows. I'm gonna be mixing it up with my foundation because I don't want my brows to be white when my skin is dark. You know what I mean, white and dark. Let's get right into that. So I'm gonna blend it up right there. That's just dropping on my face. My eyebrows are ready. Now I'm gonna get into my foundation. I want it to look really nice, but I also want to make it look a little bit natural so I don't have like too much on my face. So oh shame, everybody does it. At the point, yeah, if you really want to look back and be honest, you know that you do it. Time for some lashes. So guys, we're going to be using the lash from DT for you. It's called Divine Lash from DT and it's the 3D11. It's really dramatic. It's divine, gives you that divine look that you're going for, because I want to go for a divine look today because it's my birthday. So guys, this is what I'm wearing. The lash from DT Divine is on the website also. If you want to go check it out, you should click on dt4u.nl, and it's affordable, it's reusable, it's comfortable, lightweighted, it's divine, just as the name implies. This is completely gone, like it's empty, but I still love this palette. It's amazing. It's the best ever. Just mix it all up. Yeah. And we are almost done. We can't forget our blush. this is the result of my whole opening my mouth and putting things on my face. After putting everything, this is what I came up with. I'm just gonna outline my lips so I can put lip gloss on it. The hair is always the last bit because it's the finer part in the jollof rice. This is the final part in jollof rice, the butter that makes it moist. This is my birthday wig. Guess what color it is? Guess what color it is? Guess what color it is? This is a struggle. Guess it where I'm putting it on. I just want to shock you guys, like shock you, put you in that mood of shock. Here we are. This is the wig I'm wearing today. And I still have to like flat iron it so it looks more flattened on top. Final result, the final look with my wig on right now. I look kind of different because I never had this color of hair before, but I like it because it looks different on me. It gives me that different look that I was actually going for. And with my eyelash on, I'm ready to go. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you right in my next video. Bye people.